Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce what a Microsoft Excel means and how it's used. So we are going to come here, we right click, then come here to new, go here to Microsoft. Let's name it as you can see when you tap on it. So see here. As you can see, we have here our Microsoft Excel. So here, this Microsoft Excel help in many ways. It can help you to create a report card. It can also help you to make a budget. It can also help you to enter your bios like names. It can also help in schools and hospitals and so many others. So this one, as you can see, this is the home and everything in it. So you can come here. Let's put an example. Let's say we are going to put here the names. We're going to put here let's say math. Assist, assisting. Let's say total. Let's say Sarah. In math, let's say Sandra got 60. Sarah got 50. SST, we say she got 40. And this one she got maybe 70. Yeah, so you can come here to total. So this fx, it helps you in functions, and when you're getting a total, you put equal signs. Don't forget that, like this. Then you can come here, come to sums. As you can see, B2 and C2, that's 60 and 40. Then you can press OK. Let's press OK. You see that's the total of these. So you can come here and you drop it down. So these ones are used for functions. Then this one, as you can see, this one is for B2. Then you can also come here. This one is for this font size. You can use it for borders in case you want to put this marks to be in border, like the way you create, like the way they create for report cards. You can make it. Then this one is for let's see. And here you can also come and say 40. Then this one. You can also apply the same in this one. You can also apply the same when you come here, the same in case you want them to be big. Then you can also come here, you bring it back here. Then these are the fonts. You can pick the font you want for the text. Let's Algerian. Then you come to man, and SST, do the same. Then total you can also do the same. So these ones help you to do everything. So these ones you can either, as you can see, these ones align. In case you want to align your work, you can come here, you can put the general, or you can put the left, center, right, too many others. You can also put the vertical bottom, to be center, to be justified. As you can see. So this one is for functions. Then you can also press Ctrl S to save your work. Then you can also come here, insert. You see my insert. In case you want to insert, let's say we want to insert a chart. So this is how you can insert a chart. And you can this one is for sun, math, SST, and total. How this is how you can insert your chart. Then you can also come here to the layout, the group page layout. In case you want it to be in margin, orientation, size, and so many others. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe,